Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I got a Talaria MX5. I sold the MX4, got $4,000 for it and put it towards this thing. So I'm super stoked to unbox this thing for you guys. And yeah, I actually rid one before and it felt really good. But yeah, I'm stoked. Let's get straight into it. All right, guys, let's get straight into it. Start cutting these straps. Trusty switchblade. This thing's a lot heavier too than the MX4. This thing's like, the whole packaging, it's like 200 something pounds. Just kind of crazy. So that's like an actual dirt bike. All right, so cracking her open. Pretty similar to the MX4 packaging. Here. This is what it came with, 2 boxes. I'm assuming for the charger. This is probably the charger right here. Yep, it's the new one. I feel like this is a little bigger than like yours, the MX4.
Yeah.
It's a little bigger. It's 15 watts, so it should charge a lot quicker. Pretty cool. Let's check out what's in this one. Alright, so we got some number plates. Oh, that one's kind of sick. It's not too bad. Some zip ties. Looks like the stem mount. Spacers. Foot pegs. Fork guards. Got some gear oil. If you guys didn't know, you actually have to change the oil in these things. It's like after 2,000 miles or something. Not too sure what that is. Little toolkit. Should come with all the tools you need to put it together. A manual. More zip ties and some hardware and the keys. Alright guys, you're going to want to make sure you grease your front axle when putting the front wheel on. Recommend this grease. Alright guys, bike's all built. Haven't cut the wire yet. I'm going to take it for a little spin just to make sure everything's working right. Just some things to know if you're getting one of these. Before you ride it, you want to make sure you pull this clip open. It's the vent tube for the gearbox. And yeah, you should be good to go. Tires, you have to inflate the tires. I just put 20 in just to try it, and then obviously plug the battery in. I actually really like this, how you can take this whole thing off. It's a lot easier, and it just goes right back on. So let's start it up. First startup right here. There it is. It's at 22% flat. I was really hoping to get some good riding in tonight, but I guess not. All right, guys. So this is the first ride. It's only at 22%, so, and I haven't even cut the wire yet. So pretty cool. There's 3 modes on this bike: Eco, Sport, and Hyper. So you already know we're gonna leave it in Hyper because I'm just him. Loving the bike so far. Feels really smooth. Dude, the suspension feels really good. It feels so good.
Looks good.
It's like so plush. Yeah, I also forgot to mention, guys, that on this one there's a regen thumb throttle. So you could set your regen right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can kind of use this like a brake. So the more you press it, the more regen there's going to be. So I'll try that out and I'll let you guys know how it is. Looks pretty good, dude.
Here, turn around and take off. I'm gonna run and follow you.
Okay.
Because it's got the hyper smooth thing.
Yeah. It only does 20.
Huh?
So I haven't cut the wire yet.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Good, go. Really?
Right until 20, it just cuts out.
You could feel the governor kick in?
Yeah, I can feel the governor. Oh, cool thing too, guys, there's a light switch on this one that comes stock. So that's pretty sweet.
It is sick. You look so shiny.
The brakes feel really good too.
Dude, I kind of like the shiny spokes. It looks kind of sick when you're riding.
Does it?
Yeah, because they like shine.
It's pretty sick. I'll probably test out the like battery charging time. I know it said what did it say? I think it was like 2.5 hours or something. So I want to see if that's actually how it is, because the MX4 would take like 3 hours.
Yeah.
And this is supposed to be a bigger charger too, so.
But it's a bigger battery also, right?
Yeah, that's true. But
The Talaria logo on the hub. It's sick.
all right, we're gonna get Nixon TV's review on it.
Make a yard sale this thing. Fresh out the box.
Do it.
The regen brake works so good.
I know it does, huh?
You don't even have to use these.
I know.
Yeah, that's sick. It feels smooth and the suspension feels good too. I feel like the shocks don't have a ton of air in them. It kind of feels like they're a little soft.
Well, you can adjust them too right here.
Yeah. It feels nice. It feels good.
Better than
it feels like beefy.
I feel like it's just like a beefier version of the MX4.
Yeah, it doesn't feel like like a bicycle. It's like it feels like solid.
Yeah. Cool thing about this bike too, guys, is there's a chain guide. So on my MX4, when I would jump and I'd throw fat whips, the chain would slide off sometimes. So that shouldn't happen anymore. Also, this chain looks way beefier. Looks actually like a moto chain. All right, guys, so this is the MX5 compared to a MX4. Man, they look so similar. Like just from...
Pretty close. This is like bigger.
Yeah.
And that one's a little more sleek.
Yeah, definitely.
The seat.
The seat height looks the same though from this angle.
Yeah, this one's slightly uphill. But
looks pretty similar though.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Yo, having the time of my life. Thing's pretty comfy with 2 people.
It is nice.
Dude, look. This is the regen throttle.
POV. Dude, this is actually a sick angle right here.
Really?
Yeah, looks like reflex.
Should I do a wheelie?
Spill off.
This thing feels good.
Need to adjust this